Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news China's population growth is slowing faster than most researchers thought. But first, the US Fed has completed its monetary policy review, leaving key rates unchanged. The decision was unanimous, and it is reusing the term patient as it works through competing economic signals and pressures from the American economy with a backdrop of an impatient US administration. Elsewhere, the ADP employment report suggests this Saturday's official non-farm payrolls report will be a good one. All sectors, that is 8 out of 10 sectors, indicate employment gains. But the early reports from car makers suggest sluggish sales and below analyst estimates for April. Fiat Chrysler US deliveries fell more than 6%. In Canada, they fell 10%. Ford's fell almost 5% and Toyota's dipped 4.4%. Higher interest rates on car loans are said to be a factor, with buyers now paying more than a 6% interest rate on average. This will be a key reason why US factory activity slowed to a 30-month low in April amid a sharp drop in new orders. And construction spending unexpectedly fell in March to a level below that for March 2018. In Canada, their government raised the level of emergency loans farmers can take out to weather the trade stoush with China over Huawei, where China retaliated by stopping purchase of canola. Yesterday was a public holiday in many parts of Europe and China, so market data slim there. But a new report about China's demographics show China is almost now at peak population. They say the peak will come much earlier than their previous forecast and will occur in 2023, just 4 years from now, at 1.4 billion. China's falling birth rate may stabilise, but their death rate and immigration rate is still rising. The changes are likely to decrease the number of children and infants and the consumer markets for them. In Australia, banks are feeling the pinch from APRA's serviceability restrictions that say borrowers must be able to handle a 7.25% repayment interest rate, and they are campaigning for that to be relaxed. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 2.49%, down 1 basis points from yesterday. Gold is up another $6 from yesterday and now at $1,286 an ounce. US oil prices a little change today, just under $63.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just on $72 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today softer at 66.2 US cents on the US Fed policy statement. On the cross rates, we're now at 94.4 Aussie cents, a small dip, and against the euro, we're softer at 59.1 euro cents. That decreases the TWI to 71.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.